What's up, everybody? It's Fix Your Form in 90 seconds. Today we're going to be covering lateral raises. So, a lot of times in the gym you'll see people going like this. They're swinging and swinging just to get the weight up. This is bad practice. Proper form in a side lateral raise is shoulders down and back. And you lead with your elbow. When you get to the top of the movement, your pinky should be higher than your thumb. When you see people swinging like this, that's them trying to lift more weight, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but if you're lifting too much weight to do the form correctly, you're wasting your time. So, to get the proper form, lighten those weights, put the shoulders down and back, and lift with your elbows leading. You'll be much more mind-muscle connection doing it this way. There's a time and place to swing it, but it's not for the whole process. Say you get to the very end, and your last rep is bad form, like you only get to here. Then do a couple swing movements just to get the added damage, but do not make your whole workout that way. So, again, this is Fix Your Form in 90 seconds. So I'll see you in the next one.